Welcome to Mog's Vlogs, Extra Bits. Now, I've made a cake, lemon and blueberry, bit of zest and juice in the cake to try and give it that lemony flavour, but I'm also going to go for the drizzle. So in the mug, got me the zest of one lemon and the juice of one lemon. What I've done, microwaved it for 30 seconds, bit of a stir, thrown in a load of caster sugar, bit of granulated sugar, and the idea is, because the lemon juice is hot, it dissolves it, and you end up with a thick sugary gloop. And the idea is, you let this cool down a bit, but you put it on the cake while the cake's still hot. So it melts the sugar a bit, softens it, and it all runs over the cake. Put a load of holes in the cake with a skewer as well, pour it down the holes, makes it real good. Right, anyway, that's it lads, thought you might want to know. Right, now just quickly, did the little cake, a little bit left over, it wasn't going to fit in the main dish, still pretty hot. But the idea is, with this drizzle that I've got in this mug, what I'm going to do, while this is still hot, poke a load of holes in it. Don't worry, once the drizzle's on, no one's going to spot this. And then we get the mug. Remember, I got zest in here as well, so you get a few little bits of zest on top of the cake. Then on it goes. Make sure it goes everywhere. Doesn't matter if it goes down the sides. The main thing we're trying to do here is cover the top, and we want the juice to end up in those holes. Now, I'm not going sparingly, because I know that basically where you double nearly the amount by putting in the same amount of sugar as you have lemon juice, it goes a really long way. So that's why you put a load of holes in it, because you've got loads of lemon juice and sugar to get soaked up. So happy days. That's now all glistening and sugary. I'm going to give that 10 minutes. I'm just going to eat this one because I know how good it's going to be. The other one's for tomorrow, so I can't eat the whole cake, but I'll enjoy this nevertheless. Night night. I hope you've enjoyed Extra Bits.